Can you hear me now? Guys, if you can hear me, let me know. Great, great. Okay, we're going to start this right now. So we're going to be going over the MetaTrader 5 overview, how to take trades, entries, exits, how to layer your trades with synergy strategy. So that's what we're going to do today. So first of all, what is MetaTrader 5? MetaTrader 5, also known as MT5, is a trading platform used to buy and sell financial instruments such as Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, futures, and cryptocurrencies through a broker. Now, MT5 was developed by MetaQuote. Now, what do MT5 do? MT5 provides tools for viewing the market prices, placing buy and sell orders, analyzing charts, using technical indicators. Now, how does MT5 work? First thing you need to know is before you can use MT5, you need to open an account with a broker account, right? With a brokerage, right, that supports MT5. So in our community, we have a broker called PU Prime. So if you don't have PU Prime, go ahead to speak to whatever brought you into this community and tell them to share their links with you, and then you open an account with PU Prime, right? Number two, you download the MT5 platform, right? Number three, you do your login details, right? Using the broker credential. So once you've opened an account with PU Prime, right, with your broker account, a login details will be sent to your email, right? And the next thing you want to do is deposit funds, analyze the markets, and of course, place your trades. So what do MT5 supports? Market orders. So you're actually getting into the market immediately, getting into a buy, getting into a sell immediately. Limit orders like sell limits, buy limits. So you have to stop orders, stop loss orders, and take profit orders. So it is important to know, like I said earlier, MT5 is not a broker. It is a software platform. You still need a brokerage account to access the real market. So let's go into the normal, practical, right? Let's get that. So I'm going to be sharing my screen right now. So I'm going to be using both my iPhone and then my Android, right? So you can see exactly how the market works. So I've got a list of what we're going to do. First thing first, how to connect your broker to MT5. So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you guys right now. Um, Kat, please, can you make my other phone co-host, please?
Yeah, sure. Let me have a look.
Please.
So both, okay, so one is the host and one is the co-host.
Yeah, I want you to make both phones. That's my iPhone and my other one.
No, but one is host and one is co-host.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh,
from the very beginning.
because it's not allowing me to share right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the one that says Billionaire Victoria.
Brilliant. Oh, babe, there's three then.
Right.
Okay, wait,
Yeah,
hold
that's my
on.
laptop and yeah.
Oh
Okay.
no, you need to do it because you're the host, honey.
Okay. All right, you know what? Let me just use my Android first of
No,
all.
no, 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 no. You can the device that's Victoria Olayemi, use that one to make Billionaire Victoria the co-host. The Victoria Olayemi one.
Okay.
Yeah, because you're a host. Do you see it?
Yeah, make co-host.
Yes, there you go.
Yes, I've done that. Thank you.
No problem.
All right, so I'm going to start with my iPhone, right? How to connect. The first thing first you want to do is connect your broker to MT5. I'm sure most of us on this call have an account with PU Prime. Yes, so the credential would have been sent to you, login details would have been sent to you. So I'm going to show you a practical example of how that is. So I'm going to be sharing. Okay. I'm sure you guys can see my screen, right? So, all right, great. So the first thing you want to do, if you're using an iPhone, I'm going to be doing this both on iPhone and Android. Yeah, for iPhone users and Android users, right? So this is the iPhone version. Once you open your MetaTrader 5 app, so this is how the MetaTrader 5 app looks like, right? Right there, right? You open it. The first thing you want to see, look at is the bottom. Go to click on settings, right? Once you click on settings, you go into where it says new account. Click on that. Now you see the bottom, click on the search bar and type in PU Prime, right? Of course, I have it here already. So all I need to do is tap on it, right? Now, the first thing, like I said, once you open an account with PU Prime account, PU Prime Broker, yeah, you get your login details. So the first thing you're going to see is the server. And of course, in the credentials that was sent to your email, the server name is going to be there. So I'm going to open, I think I have it opened already, right? So it's going to look something like this once you open your accounts. So this is the login details you're going to get. So the first thing you want to do is MT5 server. What does mine say? Mine says PU Prime Demo. So I want to go back there to my MT5 and tap on it. I'm going to search for PU Prime Demo right there. The next thing I want to do is the login details. Go back to my email. What does it say? MT5 login. I copy and I paste. The next thing is password. The password also is being given to you. You want to copy that also. Go on here and then paste. And I'm signed in already, right? That's what you want to do. Very, very simple and very easy. Now, the next thing is how to take trades. Now, let's say, let me see the gold market right now. As you know, we all trade gold in this community, right? Only we trade strictly gold. So now, let's say a signal was sent to buy gold between what price is it at right now? Okay, let's say it says buy gold between 4318, right? To 4316. Remember, we want to buy low, I want to sell high. We want to buy at the lowest price, right? And we want to sell at the highest price. So I've been asked to, the signal says buy gold between 4318 to 4316. So the first layer is actually 4318, right? I want you to go to the top here. You see why I tapped? At the top right corner, top right here. Yeah, you can see the sell and the buy. Now we're asked to buy gold. We only want to see, we only want to look at the price where it says buy. Is the market at our entry price or not? This is going to be an interactive section, but because you guys have done a whole lot of theoretical, today, Friday, is going to be practical. So we're going to have a conversation, right? I don't want you guys to be quiet in the chat. This is how the money is being made. Guys, we're asked to buy gold between 4318 and 4316. Right now, is the price, is the market at our price right now? Yes or no? Is the price at, or the market rather, at our price right now? Great. Love the great answer. So it shows that you guys are attentive, right? It's not our market price. It's not at the price right now. Yeah. So we want to wait till it gets to that price because the instruction says buy gold between 4318 and 4316. Of course, we want to buy very at the lowest price. So if this market comes here Let's say the market is here around, let's say the market is around 4320. Is that the market price? Yes or no? It looks like only Bright and Alicia is on the call. It's not at the market price, right? Good. So what do we want to do? Do we enter immediately or we want to wait till it gets to our price? Perfect. We want to wait, right? Good. Now, the next thing we want to do is, let's see, the next thing we want to do. Now, we want to talk about market orders. Yeah, I've just spoken about market execution. We're actually told to buy gold at 4318 to 4316. Now, we have different market orders, right? We have the market execution, meaning once we go into the market, right? I want to buy at the exact price, or I want to sell at the exact price. That is market execution. So we've got limit orders. So we have the buy limit and the sell limit, meaning, oh, I want to buy at this particular price. I want the price to come down to the level, yeah, to this price, and then trigger my entry and then go in the direction I want it to go, right? And I'm going to show you what the market orders that we've got. Now, this is MT5 right now is being upgraded already, right? So you can actually see your market orders here. Yeah, once you tap on this icon that looks like a timer, like a clock. Yeah, there are different ways you can actually do this. Yeah. If you go on there, right? Can you see the bottom? It says buy limits. Now I want to swipe up. Can you see that? So we've got market execution, we've got buy limits, we've got sell limits, we've got buy stop, we've got sell stop. Now I've explained what buy stop and sell stop means. If you understand what buy stop and sell stop means, put a yes in the chat. If not, I'm going to explain again. This is going to be an interactive session. Okay, I'm getting yes from Alicia, yes from Demolar. Okay, Rochella said no. Okay, now I'm going to explain it again. Now, I talked about market execution. We are buying at the current market price. Like we're buying once, if what price is the market on right now? Yeah, the market is at 4322. So once I come into the market and I see that, oh, the market is at 4322, I want to buy at that exact price. Of course, if I'm being told to buy at the exact price, right? Market execution. Now, buy limit and sell limit is actually pending orders. So what does pending order mean? Pending order simply means I want to buy at a particular price. So you see how these prices are fluctuating. Of course, if I want to buy at 4322, yeah, before you know it, split seconds because gold is moving crazy, right? See, it dropped to 4321. I might not be able to buy at that exact price. But if I want to buy at the exact price, let's say I want to buy at exactly 4316, I want to place a pending order. Yeah, I want to place a buy limit. So I need that price to drop down to that level and then trigger and then go up. So I'm going to set a buy limit right now, right? At 43, let's do 4316, right? So I'm going to go up here. Yeah, I need you to be attentive. Go up right here, swipe up. What are we doing? We're placing a buy limit, right? I want to click on buy limit. Yeah. What price do I want to place my limit on? At 4316. See where it says price? I tap on it. 4316. Right? And then I want to add my stop levels. Yeah. That's my stop loss and my take profit. You see where it says take profit? Now let's put us take profit at 4320. Of course, we're buying, so take profit is going to be at the top. Let's put our stop loss Let's do 10 pips. 10 pips, 4315. And what do I want to do? Oh, I think the market is actually at that price. It's not allowing me. One second, guys. I'm going to do this again. Buy limit, right? Yeah, I omitted something. Before you set your any buy limits, buy market execution or whatever, I need you to be careful. I need you to first of all look at your stock your lot size. So you see what it says lot size here. You want to change it. So what lot size do I want to use? Let's say I want to use 0.10, right? I've set my lot size like that, right there. And then price at 43, I'm buying at 4316, right? And then I want to add my stops, my take profits and my stop loss. We click on that. Let's put a take profit at 4320. And then our stop loss, let's put it 10, 20 pips, 4314. And what do? I click on place buy limit, right? And then on my charts, you can see my lot size is 0.20. My stop loss is there, and then my take profit. Now, once my stop loss is there, I know how much I'm risking and I know how much I'm gaining. So for this trade, if the chart or the price or the market doesn't go my way, I'll lose 30 pounds. If it goes my way, I'll make an extra 60 pounds. Do you understand, guys? Do you understand the pending orders? Do you understand? Is it only Alicia that is on the call? I told you already, this call is going to be interactive, right? I want you guys to really, really understand how to take trades, how to use MT5. And this is the only way, right? Good. Now, let's cancel this one. Right? So this is buy limit. Let's do sell limit. So sell will be at the top, right? We want to buy, we want to sell at the highest price. We come here again. Yeah. You can do all of this on the chart. There are different ways you can do this. Okay, great. There are different ways you can do this. Now, we want to place a sell limit, right? We go back there again. I'm going to do this again. You go on the top right, click on that, swipe up, and click on sell limit. Once you click on sell limit, that's the first thing you want to do. The second thing you want to do is check your lot size. Know how much you're risking, right? Know how much you are risking. So for this, let's say I want to risk, let's say I want to use a lot size of 0.10, right? That's number two. The first thing I want to do, either buy limit, sell limit, whatever, right? Second thing, I want to check my lot size. Third thing, what price am I going to sell at? Of course, we want to sell at the highest price. Now, let's say we want to sell. What's the market at right now? The market is currently at 4322. Okay, let's say we want to sell at 4340. 4340, right? And then I click on the third thing I want to do, click on add stop levels, which is your take profit and your stop loss. Let's put our take profit at let's put our take profit at 4330. 4330, right? And then our stop loss, let's do 10 pips, 4341. And what do I want to do? Place sell limit, right? We have it there on our charts. Do you understand? Put some 77 in chat box if you understand. Great. Okay. So now we understand the market execution, and then we understand limit orders, yeah, which is the buy limit and the sell limit. So the next limit order we have is buy stop and sell stop. Now, what is buy stop? Buy stop simply means, okay, the market is right here. The market is at 4322 right now, right? And I want to place a buy stop. I've actually analyzed the market and I know that, yes, okay, this trade will actually go up, right? This trade will actually go up. So I want to set a buy stop, meaning once it gets to that particular price, it triggers, picks me up, and goes to my direction. If you're at the bus station, you wait for the bus, right? So you want once the oncoming the vehicle or the bus is coming, yeah, you're already at your stop. You want the bus to stop, yeah, at your location, at your bus stop, pick you up and take you to your direction. I think we should understand that layman explanation. Do you understand? Put some 7 in the chat if you understand. That is what we mean by buy stop. Sell stop also the same thing, right? So I'm going to show you an example here. I'm going to delete this one, right? Sell stop. Want to go back on there, swipe up, buy stop. So let's say the market is currently at 4320. Let's put our sell stop. The first thing we want to do, right? Buy stop. Second thing, check your lot size. I hope you guys are taking notes. Remember to check your lot size. Change your lot size, right? Next thing, you want to change your price. Price, I want to pull my buy stop at, right? So the market is currently at 4318. So let's put our buy stop at 4324. 4324. Hopefully the market doesn't. 4324, right? And then we had our stop. Let's put our stop loss. Stop loss at 4330. And then stop loss. I'd say profit rather. 43. Let's do 10 pips. 4323. And then what we do, click on. Can you see that? Right? So if the market is going to go up right now, yeah, the market is going to come up. You see where that blue line, 4324, is going to trigger and then continue upwards and hit my TP, if it's going to hit my TP or not, right? So do we understand what market execution is, what buy stop means, sell stop, buy limit, sell limit? If you understand, put it in the chat box. Put some 777 in the chat box if you understand. Right? Great. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this one right now. Yeah. The next thing we understand how to take trades, how to place your stop loss, how to place your take profit. We understand that, right? You always use stop loss in every of your trade, Dockers. Market execution, limit orders, whatever. Make sure stop loss is there to protect your account, to protect your capital, right? Now, I'm going to move on to the next. The next one is how to move your stop loss to break even. So I'm going to do a market execution right now, right? And I'm going to put my stop loss, I'm going to put my take profit. Let me say right now, let's buy gold right now. Yeah. First thing I want to do is change my lot size. You can also change your lot size here in the middle. You see the middle of the buy and sell, right? You can change your lot size there. So I'm going to put 0.10. So I'm doing market execution. I want to buy immediately right now. I want to buy at the current price, which is 4316. What do? I click on buy. Now, what do I do next? I want to put my stop loss and my take profit. All I need to do is tap on it. Yeah? Can you see where it says close buy? You see SL and TP. I want to swipe up, right? And I want to click on add stop levels. TP, let's put our TP at 4322. We can leave it at that. Yeah, the market is still there. Yeah. And then let's put our stop loss at 4312. Right? What do I do? Click on modify. I'm in the market already. I just did a market execution. As you can see, currently the price, the markets, my position is actually in profit. Now, what I said I wanted to teach you how to do, how to move your stop loss to break even. So moving your stop loss to break even simply means once the market is in profit, you want to move your stop loss right here. Oh, the market is moving to the entry price. So I advise you guys to move it above, a little bit above entry. Why? Yeah, because of spread. Yeah. So I've moved my stop loss right now to entry, and all I want to do is modify my position. So even if this market doesn't go my way, it's going to take me out in a tiny bit of profit. I'm not going to lose any money. Is it that break even? I'm not going to either make any money or lose any money. Right? I think this market is probably going to take me out. So you've actually safeguarded your capital. Right? You've actually safeguarded your capital. Do you understand? If you understand, put some 77 in the chat. Do you understand? All right, great. So we've talked about how to move your stop loss to break even. We've talked about market execution. We've talked about pending orders. We've talked about how to move your stop loss to break even, right? Now, the next thing we want to do is how to take partials. I'm going to quickly use this trade before it takes me out. How to take partials. Now, remember, if you're using a 0.01, you cannot take partials. Yeah. The only time you can actually take partials is probably you have 0.02, 0.03 upwards, right? So let me take partials quickly on this trade, right? I want to tap on that. Go up there, right? There are two ways you can actually do this. You can either come to where it says trade, tap on it, right? Modify position, oh, sorry, close position. What am I doing? Modify position. I'm not used to using my Android. I'm used to using my iPhone. Oh, yeah. So you see where it says modify position, right? I'm going to go back. You tap on it, click on close position. You see at the top here where it says 0.0, you want to tap on there and then close. Let's say you want to take 50% of it. So 50% of 0.10 will be 0.05, right? What I want to do, click on that and then close my market, right? So I've just closed partial. Remember, I had 0.10 lot size opened and I wanted to take 50% out of it, right? All I did was change the lot size 0.05 and I still have the remaining partials actually running. So if I come to my history here, you see where it says 0.05 over 0.10. Yeah, meaning I still have 0.05 in the market. Yes, you change your lot size accordingly, right? You change your lot size accordingly. So do you understand? Do we understand how to close partial? What time is it? 8:48. Yeah? Okay, good. And this is on the iPhone. So I want to be very quick. So how to close trade completely. Yeah? So if I want to close this trade completely right now, all I need to do is tap and close. That's it. I've just closed all of my trades. Yeah? I want to move on to the next one. how to bulk trade, close trade. Yeah. Let's say you have 0.05 in three, you have three positions of 0.05. Yeah. Because this is my demo. So I'm gonna just buy. Yeah. See, you have three positions opened. So I want to close the entire trade. Yeah. All I need to do is tap. You see why it says bulk operation? I click on bulk operation. And what do? Close all positions. Everything is automatically closed. So instead of closing one by one, like one after the other, you can actually, if you want to close all your trade completely, yeah, you can do that. Do we understand? Charita, what do you want me to say again? Sorry, I missed that message. What do you want me to say? I'm trying to multitask here. Yeah, on Android, it's just a little, just a tiny bit of difference. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to be really quick about this because we're running out of time. Yeah. So Gabriel, what do you want me to show you again, please? What do you want me to show? We have to be very quick about this. Yeah, trade history also. So if you want to see all your past trades, all you need to do is come to the bottom, click on history. All your history is here. Or you want to check from the past 1 week, past 2 weeks, past month. Yeah, you can see that there, right? If you want to custom, let's say I want to check my trades from the beginning of this month up till date. So all I need to do is click on that 1st of June, end date 5th of June, and then I click on that at the top and it shows me all of the trades I've opened from 1st of June up until now. Okay, how to close. Okay, how to close all trade. I'll do that again. Yeah. Of course, this is my demo account, so don't worry. I'm not messing with my real account. So I'm gonna open multiple trades, right? So now I have all of these trades opened. Let's say I'm running a loss or I'm running in a lot of profit and I'm okay with that profit. I don't want to close each, yeah, one after the other. I want to close bulk close. All I need to do is tap, yeah, click on bulk operation, click on close. It says close all positions, close losing positions, close buy positions, right? So let's say I have buy and sell at the same time. I just want to close my buy positions. All I need to do is close buy position, or I just have my sell, close sell positions, right? So I want to close all positions, right? I'm going to go back again, tap on it, bulk operation, close all positions, and all your trades is closed at once. Do we understand? Do we understand? Right? Okay, great. Now I'm going to show you how to layer trades. That'll be the last thing we're going to talk about, and then we're going to do like a recap, right? But I am going to be using my Android so I can show you guys how to do that. Okay. Are we learning? Are we getting value, guys? Put some fire emoji in the chat box if you are having fun and you are learning. Put some fire emojis in the chat box. Specific up. Yep. Okay. So now I am on my Android. Yeah, another thing, this skips my mind. Another thing you want to do is on your quotes page, I think I'm going to go over this. Yeah, so once you've linked your broker account to your MT Vibe, you have your quotes page, your charts, your trades, your history, and that's it. See, on your quotes page, I'm going to show you how to add pairs, currency pairs, to your quotes page. First of all, this is messy. Yeah, we're only trading gold. So we just want to have gold on our quotes page, right? And I'm going to show you how to delete all of this. Yeah. All you need to do is the same as if you're using an iPhone. Yeah. Just click on the pencil icon. Yeah. Click on the delete icon. And then you check every single one. And then what do? You delete. There's always one pair lingering, but we can actually change that. Yeah. Now, the next thing you want to do is how to add currency pair. So we're doing XAUUSD, which is gold, right? The symbol for gold is XAUUSD. So I want to type in XAUUSD. Yeah. We're choosing the one that says .s, right? And then that's it. If you go on your quotes page, automatically it is on your quotes page. Do we understand, guys? Do we understand? I'm gonna delete that. Right? So that's how to actually add. That's how to add pairs on your quote page. Now, I said I want to teach you how to layer your trades. Now, Synergy sends a trade idea into the group chat, into your Telegram group chat. Yeah. It says buy gold between 4318 to 4316. Gold currently is at 4320. Yeah. So once immediately you get that message, yeah, buy gold at 4318 to 4316. The first thing you want to do is the market at 4318, which is the first price, which you can do as a market execution. So if you're a TP1 takeout, TP2 takeout, TP3 takeout, you understand, you can actually enter at that current price. And then you layer 10 pips below. So what do I mean by you layer 10 pips below? Yeah. So the market currently is almost at our entry, 4319. Okay, let's say, okay, now is at 4318 right now. Now you don't need to concern yourself, yeah, about the digits or the numbers after the decimal. Yeah. As long as the first four digits aligns, don't concern yourself with the points, the one that's fluctuating. 302, no. Yeah. 4318, as long as it aligns, you want to enter buy or you want to enter sell immediately. And then you can layer the rest of your trades. Yeah. Now the market now is currently at 4318 because I've been told to buy at 4318. So don't forget, the first thing you want to do is check your lot size. Am I using the correct lot size? Do not forget. Am I using the correct lot size, right? It's at 4318 now. I click on buy. I click on what? I click on buy. Now you can also enter if it is 10 pips above. Yeah. The market says the signal rather, or the instruction says buy gold at 4318 to 4316. 4319 you can still buy. That's 10 pips above. You can still buy. But if you really, I actually suggest, yeah, that you buy at the exact price. Yeah. Now, that's the first one. Now, the way gold is moving really fast. Sometimes you might not be able to layer. So you layering is either you placing a pending order, which is either a buy limit or a sell limit. And in this case, we're doing a buy, right? Buy limits. Yeah. So I would advise you to actually wait. Yeah. You see, it's dropping. Once it drops 10 pips below. So how do you count your pips? We've been asked to buy gold at 4318. So you want to count your pips 10 pips below. Yeah, it's just 1, 2, 3. So you see the fourth digit, 4318. Yeah, the fourth digit, just do like a countdown backwards. So 4318, 4317, that's 10 pip. 4316, another 10 pip. So we've been asked to buy at 4318 to 4316. That's just two or three layers. You want to layer 10 pips. Now the market has actually dropped now. Yeah, to 4317. I want to click on buy again. Right? As the market keeps dropping, as long as the first four digits aligns, 10 pips, yeah, we want to keep clicking on buy, right? So if the market is not at our current price, what do we want to do? We want to place the buy limit. So we're at 4, we've done 4318, we've done 4317. Now we want to do 4316. All we do is bring our buy limit here, change the price, 4316. Place buy limit order, right? Do we understand the layering? Because with gold right now, gold moves very fast. So because sometimes even before you place your pending order, it has actually dropped and went back to the direction we want it to go to. Yeah, so at the moment, gold is moving really fast. So all you need to do is check the price at the top where it says buy. We've been asked to buy, right? Just check. As it keeps dropping, we keep clicking on buy. Yeah, it drops another 10 pip, we click on buy again. It drops another 10 pip, we click on buy again. Do we understand? Do we understand? And do not forget to put your stop loss, right? Do we understand how to layer? Great. So there are two things. Is either you watch the markets. Once it drops 10 pip, you click on buy. It drops 10 pip, you click on buy. Because sometimes you might not even have that time. Now it has triggered my last layer. Yeah? Drops 10 pip, you click on buy. And do not forget to set your stop loss. Do not forget to set your stop loss. So there are different ways you can do this on the chart. Different ways. You can do your buy limit, sell limit, market execution. You can close trade, whatever on the charts. Because I think the previous MT5, you can't really do it on. No, it was actually MT4. Yeah. But MT5, you can actually do a whole lot on MT4. Oh, on MT5 rather. Do we understand, guys? So that there's another difference between you closing trades here. Yeah. On Android, you can actually tap and tap. But on iPhone, you have to swipe. So that's the person that actually asked that question. So that's the only difference. And another difference is here, if you want to close partial here, yeah, if you want to close partial here, I have one, what's it called? One order, one position open right now. Remember, what's his name? Synergy says close 50 to 60% of your trade. I don't think I saw this on the iPhone, right? You can actually swipe. You see why it says 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 here. It should be on the iPhone. I probably missed it. Yeah, you can move it. Can you see? As you're moving, your lot size will definitely change. Can you see that? It's on 100%, which is the full 0.05. If I want to, let's say I want to take 20%. All I need to do is put it on 20%. Oh, so this is 40%. 40%, right? What happens? The lot size changes to 0.02. So if I close now, I'm closing in a loss, right? I'm still going to have 0.03 opened. Can you see that? Let me go my trade. Yeah. I have 0.03 open. If I go to my history, I've closed 0.02 out of 0.05. Do we understand? Do you set SL for each? Of course, you set SL for each layers. So as you're entering, do not forget to set your stop loss because gold is moving really fast, like very fast. And if you are a beginner, it's my advice is completely up to you. Yeah. Make sure you try this on your demo. Keep practicing, right? Keep practicing. Zig Ziglar said, repetition is the mother of learning, the father of action, which makes it an architect of accomplishment, right? You need to keep learning. You need to keep just repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, right? So we've touched connecting your broker to MT5, how to take trades. We've talked about the order types. We've talked about how to move your stop loss to break even. We've talked about how to take partials, how to close your trade completely, how to bulk close. Like if you have different positions, like two, three positions open, you want to close all of it at once, and trade histories. And then we've gone through layering trades. Do we understand? And then we've also gone through how to delete quote on the page and add currency pairs or whatever on the quotes page. Do we understand? Do you have any questions for me, guys? Have you gotten value? Do you have any question? Is that something I have not touched and you want me to talk about it on? Let me know. What's the time? Oh, 9:05. Okay, great. I've been trading for like 4 years now. I was introduced into this industry about, no, that's 5 years ago. We're in 2026, yeah, 5 years ago. That was when I was introduced into this industry. So do you have any questions for me pertaining MT5? Thank you, Brian. Ah, Alicia, it took me a long time. I was blowing accounts. If you want me to be honest with you right now, I was blowing accounts. And Warren Buffett said, if you don't want to lose money, don't even bother about making money. So I lost a lot. I don't know if you heard Synergy said, I think he lost about 250,000 before he became profitable. Yeah. It took me about, mm, I don't know the exact time, but yeah, it took me a while. It took me a while. And it all boils down to my emotions. I was being greedy, I wasn't following the rules. But when I started following the rules and I started doing the right thing, yeah, I became profitable. So do we have any question? It is 9:06 and it is Friday. I want to dance and dance and dance. Trust me, guys, I've had a great week and I'm not in my house right now. I am not in my house. Trading has actually funded this weekend. I took the weekend away. I took the weekend away and I am so excited. I want to go enjoy myself. Do we have any question, guys? Thank you, Malene. Thank you, Mutupe. Do we have any question? Oh, you want a tour? Oh, you want a tour? Okay. Okay, let's give you a tour. But first of all, do you guys have any question? Thank you, Joseph. Do we have any question? No question. Are you sure? Are you sure before I give you a tour? I have some things scattered already, but yeah, you guys are going to. Do we have any question? No? All right, great. Great, great, great. I'm going to stop recording this. Katrina, Katrina said we just want a tour. Okay, I'll give you a tour. But first of all, let me close this trade. Guys, do not forget, keep practicing, keep practicing. Stop share. Keep practicing. Are you guys ready for the tour? Thanks so much. I've made the mistake of just clicking, thinking I'm laying properly, but I've learned it better now. Usually just go for 3 1 6 10. No, no, no. Don't bother yourself about the points, whatever. Yeah. Like I said, once the first four digits aligns, yeah. Once the first four digits aligns, just click on buy or click on sell. Because the way gold is moving right now. Because before you even do your buy limit, it has gone. It has gone. All right. So guys, do you want the tour? Are you ready for the tour? Are you ready for the tour? Look at that, guys. Can you see that? Hello. I love the view. I love the view.
Victoria, please spotlight your other device because they can't see anything. Please spotlight the other device instead.
Oh my God, I didn't know that. Sorry, thank you.
They don't really know how to use Zoom like that. So if you spotlight at least the other one.
I didn't know. I completely forgot. Let me
Are you
remove.
at the Ferrari place?
Yes.
Oh,
I
I can
disclose
tell
my
when
location and
because
I
I
don't disclose my location.
saw.
I don't disclose my location. Wait.
They don't even know where it is anyway. Only few people may.
Spotlight for everyone. Can you see now?
Yes, honey.
Okay.
Sheesh, this Forex funded is looking good, girl. Ooh, wee, take us on a tour. Ooh, we love it. We love it. We love it. Where the pool at? Mmm. We like this. So what you saying? Weekend away to treat yourself after a good trading week? Wow, we like it. We like it. We like it. Oh, are we getting to the pool? Okay, girl. Now you talking. Ooh, press, press, press. Oh, we like it. We like it. By the way, you've muted yourself so we can't even hear the commentary. Oh, we like it, the view too. We like it a lot. We like it a lot.
Can you hear me?
No, we couldn't hear you. You wasn't giving us any commentary.
Can you imagine? I didn't know I was muted.
Yes, we have more than imagine, no sound.
Sorry, but this is my view. This is my
We
view.
are loving it. Like, we are loving it. Are you gonna show us the pool?
I have to go outside.
I know, I know.
I
I
have
remember
to
when
go
you
out.
stayed here last time.
What did you say?
I remember when you stayed here last time. I remember
Yeah.
you traded and you bought champagne.
But let me even go. Let me go outside. It's pretty cold, but let's go outside.
Yes, go outside. Go outside.
But let me unmute myself here.
Outs- Yes, thank you so much.
Can you guys see?
Yes, girl. Are you gonna show us the Ferraris? Guys, I literally remember the last time when she was here, right? She literally like her partner was telling us she literally traded by the bar and bought champagne from the money she made straight away trading. Like, guys, you guys just had a chance to learn from one of the very best tonight, you know? So let's let her enjoy her night. Let's let her enjoy her night. Let's let her enjoy her weekend.
I
Oh,
didn't
here
know
she
my phone
is.
went off.
Yes, girl, your network was very mean to us.
Yeah.
Like,
I tried to, I think because I was connected to the Wi-Fi, so I completely
I
forgot to.
was basically telling them about the time when you were there and literally you traded and bought champagne.
Yeah.
Hey, on the spot. Real Forex funded babes.
What did you say?
No, I said a real Forex funded babes. Yeah, girl. You look real good. You look real good.
Thank you.
So, guys, can we go ahead and give it back to Queen Victoria? That's what I call her, Queen Victoria. Go ahead and put some love hearts in the chat. Go ahead and put some love hearts in the chat because I know everybody definitely learned a lot today, and the session was so so good. And we're so grateful, babe, that you took some time away in your very enjoyable schedule to come and bless us with all this wisdom. And guys, listen, I know tomorrow is Saturday, but tomorrow we are going to have another powerhouse woman. And I love when it's women because I just love a boss woman, right, Victoria? So tomorrow we're gonna have a real boss woman who's gonna come and she's gonna give so much game. So just because it's the weekend, guys, that's no excuse to not show up. I want you to show up for your success tomorrow. And in fact, bring a friend with you. Because the boss woman that you're gonna hear from tomorrow, when she speaks, listen, she doesn't like to waste time. Her time is money. And when she speaks, just understand that whatever she teaches you, you're about to make a lot of money. You know, all I know is that everyone attached to her wins. Her track record speaks volumes. So please come tomorrow prepared to learn. There's so much money available to you from that session tomorrow. And Victoria, Queen Victoria, thank you so much again. Wait, let me see what that says. How can I?
My
What?
name. It says my name on there.
Oh, girl. Listen, I know the fancy place you're staying at. I know exactly where you are. I won't put the location because I'm like that as well. I don't put no location until I've
No, no
left.
location.
Yeah. Like when if I'm posting it, I left already. Like where I am right now, I ain't showing nobody where I'm at, but they might see tomorrow.
You probably see it on Monday.
Yeah, or maybe they won't see at all.
Of course.
All right, well, over to you and good night, everyone. Love you all.
Good night. Good night, everybody. See you. See you. Make sure you're on tomorrow's call because we have a beast. We have a beast. The amazing, amazing Obanisha is going to be like closing the week for us. So, I'm gonna see you guys. I'm gonna go enjoy myself right now. Bye.